All right, best of luck, Matt. Thanks once again for hopping back in. Again, I will have to restart the stream here in a couple minutes. Almost at that 4-hour mark. Got about 20 minutes or so. So I think I can get these 3 orders in queue. Mark, we've Jeremiah is next, and then you are up. Asa Lacey. Brock Selvage first, Yankees. Bubba Chandler first for the Pirates, and Luis Matos. We've got Mason Miller first for the A's. We got orange for the Phillies first, a Jordan Vyers out of 25. Nice hit there for you, Matt. Get some nice color. Nice. Jackson Merrill first, Padres, and Tyler Soderstrom. Brendan Beck first, Yankees. A Jeremy De La Rosa. Cooper Kinney first for the Rays. Nice. And a Peguero for the Pirates. Carter Jensen first, Royals. Jordan Walker. We've got Jordan Vyers first for the Phillies. And a Garrett Mitchell. Adrian Del Castillo first, D-backs. Preciado. We got a Basabe. And a Adele Amador. Brennan Davis. We've got yellow to 99 first for the Braves, a Spencer Swellenbach. Spencer Swellenbach. Got a first for the Blue Jays, Ricky Tiedemann, and Jose Salas. Robert Pawson. We've got first for the Rockies, Jaden Hill. Tyler Madison first for the Tigers, and Michael Harris for the Braves. Last pack here for you, Matt. Jason Dominguez. A Denzel Clark first for the A's. Mason Black first for the Giants. And a Brian Buelvis for the A's. All right, that'll do it for you, Matt. Again, thank you so much for hopping back in. We do appreciate all your support, and we'll be getting these cards right out to you.